Hey, it's Nick from 50 Campfires. Every once in a while we come across a product that we think, why didn't someone think of this before? Today I'm going to share with you knob where you need it. So here it is. This is the knob and it's exactly where I need it. I just installed it. I do not consider myself a handyman one bit, but it was super easy to put on. All I needed was a few tools. Everything else is in the box. Just needed my own drill bit and wrench, and everything else was supplied. If you're anything like me and spend time outside cooking, you know what a pain it can be to get down and up turning the propane tank on and off every time you want to use the grill. Knob where you need it puts a knob right at the same level as my heat controls, allowing me to open and close the propane at the same level that I would the fire. To be honest, I'm a little bit surprised that a grill company hasn't already snatched this up and installed it as a standard item on their grill. I'm glad they haven't, because you can put it on any unit that you've got. It's the knob where you need it.